let me just to go directly to you then, Ken. Moncef mentioned Alzheimer's. I mean, you were a pioneer in Alzheimer's research and had singular success in getting Alzheimer's drugs approved. Why, with such a devastating disease, with such incredibly vast economic consequences and human consequences, do we not have more drugs for Alzheimer's today? What are the impediments as a scientist working in this field?
Well, you know, if you take a longer view of this, you could despair for the incongruity between what's in the public need and what is public policy around some of these issues. And what has just been alluded to is the findings that we now have in Alzheimer's disease, that plaque are developing in your brain 20, 25 years before you're symptomatic. So what that means is an effective Alzheimer's treatment is going to be something like an effective treatment for cardiovascular disease. When you take statins, what you're doing is avoiding plaque buildup in your coronary arteries. We need a drug that's going to do the same for plaque buildup of a different kind in your brain. So to show the efficacy of that drug, we're going to need 10, 15 years of a very safe compound in very long clinical trials. And imagine, though, that we have patent law that means that by the time that trial's over, plus all the work that's gone in before the trial began, and the analyses that are going to happen afterwards, and that there have to be 2 trials that are going to have to be that long, we have no patent life left. So there's no incentive to develop the drug. That's an incongruity, a disconnect between what is public policy and what is really in the public's best needs and what is now where the science is. So what we've got to do, and we have to do this on a number of places along the ecosystem of innovation, is align public policy with the public good so that we don't have this kind of incongruity, that there's no real business model for the pharmaceutical companies to develop great Alzheimer's drugs now.